Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is your lesson of revising sounds of group 3 and it's your teacher Fatima over here. Okay, let's start revising the sounds.
G, g, gurgle, g, g, g,
Say the sound, do the action, and you can also write down or trace the sound on the piece of paper. Now, let's have a look at this picture over here on your sound card. G, gurgle. Next sound,
o, o, on, o, o, o,
okay, say the sound, do the action, and you can also look at the picture on the sound card. On, off, on, off. Next sound,
a, a, umbrella, a, a, a,
okay, you can do the action, you can open your umbrella and see this picture on the sound card. Next sound,
l, l, lollipop, l, l, l,
okay, see, you can lick your lollipops and you can also say the sound and do the actions for your teacher.
fish,
You can look at the picture on your sound card. You can see the fish over here. Let's do the action. Trace or write the sound on your piece of paper and then do the action. Next sound,
b, b, bat, b, b, b,
okay. Students, you can do the action, look at the picture and then trace or write on your piece of paper. That's all from my side. Thank you.